Did you know that a $10 plastic part under your hood could end up wrecking a $5,000 engine? And you wouldn't even see it coming? Most drivers think engine failures only happen from old age or bad driving, but in reality, it's often the small, dirt cheap parts, filters, sensors, hoses, that quietly fail first. And here's the scary truth. Mechanics see this every single day. In this video, we're exposing 10 of the cheapest parts in your car that can destroy your engine quickly if you don't pay attention. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the very end, because the last one is something every driver ignores until it's too late. 1. The PCV valve, the $15 part that can wreck everything. Let's start with one of the most underestimated components, the PCV valve. This tiny valve controls crankcase pressure and keeps harmful vapors from building up inside your engine. What drivers usually do wrong? They never check or replace it. Some even forget it exists. Why it's dangerous? When the PCV valve clogs or sticks shut, pressure builds up in the crankcase. That pressure then pushes oil past gaskets and seals. Suddenly, you're dealing with oil leaks, blown seals, and even oil starvation. And guess what? Oil starvation is a fast track to seized pistons and dead engines. Expert insight. Mechanics recommend swapping it every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. It costs about $10 to $20, but neglect it, and you're staring at $1,000+ in gasket repairs or a ruined engine. Do you really want a $15 oversight to become a $5,000 engine job? 2. Cheap oil filters, the silent engine killer. Everyone knows to change oil, but here's the trick most drivers miss. Not all oil filters are created equal. What drivers usually do wrong, they grab the cheapest filter off the shelf thinking, a filter is a filter. Why it's dangerous. Low-quality filters use weak paper elements, poor bypass valves, and cheap seals. Under high pressure, they can collapse internally or bypass filtration entirely. This means dirt, sludge, and metal shavings circulate freely through your engine. Over time, that means scored cylinders, worn bearings, and destroyed lifters. Expert insight. Veteran mechanics will tell you, stick with OEM or high-quality brands like Wix, MAN, or OEM-specific filters. The extra $5 to $10 literally saves your engine. Have you ever cut open a cheap oil filter? The difference inside is shocking. If you have, drop your experience in the comments. 3. Radiator hoses, the $25 part that can cook your engine. Now let's talk about radiator hoses. These rubber hoses carry coolant between your engine and radiator. What drivers usually do wrong? They think rubber lasts forever, so they never inspect hoses until they burst. Why it's dangerous. A cracked or swollen hose can rupture suddenly, dumping coolant in seconds. With no coolant flow, your engine can overheat within minutes. Overheating is one of the top killers of modern engines. It warps cylinder heads, blows head gaskets, and can crack engine blocks. Expert insight. Manufacturers recommend checking hoses every 30,000 miles or 3 years. Squeeze them. If they're soft, swollen, or brittle, replace immediately. A $25 hose replacement is nothing compared to a $4,000 plus head gasket job. The thermostat, a $30 part that decides if your engine lives or dies. The thermostat regulates coolant flow to keep your engine at the right temperature. What drivers usually do wrong? They assume it will last forever. They don't notice the early signs, slow warm-ups, fluctuating temp gauges, or overheating in traffic. Why it's dangerous. If it sticks closed, coolant can't circulate, and your engine overheats fast. If it sticks open, your engine runs too cool. Fuel doesn't burn efficiently, carbon builds up, and long-term damage occurs. Expert insight. Replace it every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Or if you notice temperature irregularities, always use OEM spec thermostats, not the cheapest aftermarket ones. And here's the kicker. Many engine failures blamed on bad head gaskets actually start with a faulty thermostat. 5. Serpentine belt, the $40 part that brings everything down. Your Serpentine belt drives critical accessories: alternator, power steering pump, water pump, AC compressor. What drivers usually do wrong? They ignore squeaks, cracks, or wear until the belt snaps. Why it's dangerous. If it breaks, your water pump stops, your alternator quits, and your engine overheats in minutes. On interference engines, some Serpentine setups can even damage timing components if things lock up. Expert insight. Most belts last 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Mechanics recommend inspecting them at every oil change for cracks, fraying, or glazing. Skipping a $40 belt replacement could mean a full breakdown on the highway. Or worse, a fried engine. 6. The fuel filter. A $20 part that can starve your engine. Your fuel filter's job is simple. Keep dirt, rust, and contaminants out of your injectors. What drivers usually do wrong, they never replace it. Some cars hide the filter in the tank, so drivers assume it's lifetime. Why it's dangerous. A clogged filter makes your fuel pump work harder until it burns out. Worse, contaminants slip past and damage injectors, leading to lean misfires, detonation, and catastrophic piston damage. Expert insight. Old school mechanics recommend changing filters every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. For modern vehicles, check manufacturer intervals. But remember, pumps cost $500 to $1,000, while injectors can cost $200 each. Don't let a $20 filter take them all down. And here's something shocking. When injectors fail from dirty fuel, most shops don't even tell you it started with a neglected filter. 7. Ignition coils. Cheap, but can kill your catalytic converter. Ignition coils deliver voltage to your spark plugs. What drivers usually do wrong, they ignore rough idle, stuttering acceleration, or misfire codes, thinking it's just bad gas. Why it's dangerous. A failing coil creates weak spark, causing unburned fuel to enter the exhaust. That raw fuel overheats and destroys your catalytic converter. And when a cat fails, you're looking at a $1,200+ repair. Expert insight. Mechanics recommend replacing coils in sets, not one at a time. Yes, it's more upfront cost, but mismatched coil age leads to repeat failures. Saving $60 by skipping a coil today can blow your $1,200 catalytic converter tomorrow. Worth it? 8. The mass airflow sensor. Tiny, fragile, and costly if ignored. Your MAF sensor measures airflow so the ECU can balance fuel. What drivers usually do wrong, they don't clean it. Or worse, they spray it with brake cleaner, which ruins it. Why it's dangerous. A dirty or failing MAF sensor causes incorrect air-fuel ratios. This leads to poor combustion, washed piston rings, misfires, and even internal engine wear. Expert insight. Clean it every 20,000 to 30,000 miles with a proper MAF cleaner only. Never touch the wires. Have you ever felt your car stumble or idle rough after refueling? Many times that's a dirty MAF sensor, not bad fuel. Comment if it's happened to you. 9. Engine air filter. The $15 part that chokes your engine. This one seems obvious, but it's shocking how many people forget it. What drivers usually do wrong? They drive 50,000 miles on the same filter. Some even tap it on the ground and reinstall it. Why it's dangerous. A clogged filter starves the engine of oxygen. Less air equals more fuel equals carbon buildup. Worse, if the filter is torn or missing, dirt and sand can get sucked straight into the engine. That means scored cylinder walls, worn piston rings, and loss of compression. Expert insight. Most mechanics recommend replacing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or sooner if you live in dusty areas, OEM, or high-quality filters only. Cheap ones often don't seal properly. $15 now or thousands later. Simple math. 10. Coolant temperature sensor. The $25 part that decides your engine's fate. This sensor tells your ECU how hot the engine is. What drivers usually do wrong? They ignore a bad sensor, thinking it's just a check engine light. Why it's dangerous. If it fails, your ECU can't regulate cooling fans, fuel mixture, or ignition timing properly. The result, overheating, detonation, and engine destruction. Expert insight. Mechanics recommend replacing it at the first sign of failure. Fluctuating temp readings, fans not engaging, or poor fuel economy. And here's the sneaky part. Sometimes engines overheat not because of bad coolant or thermostat, but because of this tiny sensor lying to the computer. Bonus tip: the hidden killer, neglected gaskets and O-rings. Here's the insider tip I promised. Many catastrophic failures start with cheap rubber gaskets and O-rings. Why? Because they cost pennies, so nobody thinks they matter. But when a $5 valve cover gasket leaks, oil drips onto the serpentine belt, which then slips, overheats, and shreds. Or a failed O-ring in the oil filter housing causes a sudden pressure drop. And in seconds, your engine is starved of oil. Veteran mechanics agree. Whenever you replace a cheap part, filter, pump, or sensor, always replace the O-rings and gaskets that come with it. Skipping them is gambling with your engine's life. So there you have it. 10 dirt cheap parts that can destroy your engine if ignored. And the truth is, every single one of them costs less than a tank of gas. Yet neglecting them leads to thousands in repairs, or a totaled engine. Quick recap: PCV valve? Change it. Oil filter? Don't cheap out. Radiator hoses, thermostat, belts, filters, coils, sensors, every one of them matters. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these cheap parts have you had fail on your car? Did it cost you hundreds or thousands? Share your story in the comments so other drivers can learn from it. And before you go, hit that like button. Subscribe for more pro-level car care, and check out my next video, where I'll reveal the 5 lifetime fluids that are secretly destroying modern engines. Trust me, you'll want to know these.